Okay, this is me again, Mahishma. I'm gonna solve Rubik Cube for real this time. Right. You can see it's all mixed up and stuff. Okay. Put the camera like that. Okay. That's a little better. I'll start. I don't know what I'm doing, but like, you could time it or whatever if you want. I don't really care. So I'll just start. Okay. Oh, I suck. Okay, never mind. Whoops. Oh, sorry. Forgot to show you. Okay, let's see. It's really hard to do it like this. Okay. Inside. Let's see. Whoa, I'm going slow. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of it. Yeah. Say I win. Okay. I win. And you lose. Because I am awesome. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't even know how much that was. Like, oh well. At least I could solve it pretty fast. Okay. Bye.